Hey guys, Zebras here. I got another challenge for you. Jack Exist actually nominated me for this one. And what you have to do is you have to put your head in a bucket of cold water, and I'm putting the ice in right now. I didn't put my voice in as the video is going on. I just wanted to edit it in. So yeah, so you get 2 rounds. This is the first round, and you count how long it takes, and you just add both of those amounts up, and you get a total. And Jack Exist got 1 minute and 1 minute and 26 seconds. I had to beat that. So this is my first go, and I got 15 seconds. That was terrible. I can't hold my breath underwater. And yeah, so that was round number 1. And yeah, I did it last night, so now I got a cold. Yeah, so that was really cold. So we're gonna get on to round number 2 right now. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so this time I did it for a little bit longer, not that long, but it was a little bit longer. So yeah, I just also want to give a shout out to a guy called Raw Echo. Please go check out his channel. I hope you guys enjoy his videos, they're really nice. So yeah, I got 17 seconds for that. And yeah, so that has been the video of today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Hey guys, I forgot to mention that I'll nominate my cousin Nicholas, and when he does it, he's gonna send it to me, and I'm gonna put it on YouTube, and I'm also gonna put some commentary in it. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. Cheers.